hungry dinosaur? Well, come on, the drive-thru's open. Welcome to Dima's Dinosaur Drive-Thru. May I take your dinosaur's order, please?
Hello. I've got a hungry dinosaur in the back.
Would he like the carnivore combo or something from our herbivore combo?
What does that mean?
Carnivores eat meat and herbivores eat plants. You can tell if a dinosaur is a carnivore or an herbivore by looking at its teeth. Sharp teeth are good for chewing meat and flat teeth are better for chewing plants. I'll be right back. Open up, big boy. Say, ah! Let's see. Does this dinosaur have sharp teeth or flat teeth?
Sharp.
I'll say this T-Rex has really sharp teeth because he eats meat. Carnivore combo! Excuse you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Hello. May I take your dinosaur's order, please? My dinosaur is really hungry. Carnivore combo or herbivore combo? I don't know. Just a moment. Here, girl. Open wide, girl. Does this dinosaur have sharp teeth or flat teeth?
Flat.
You're right. This dinosaur has flat teeth, so she eats plants. You're an herbivore, aren't you, girl? Your dinosaur eats plants. Herbivore combo.